Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about flora and fauna of Antarctica. It is hard to imagine a place more hostile to life than Antarctica. Temperature always below zero. The land is buried beneath at least a mile of ice, and terrible storms scour the landscape constantly. And yet, the part of joy visiting the white continent is to appreciate myriad of sea creatures it supports. It is wonderful birds and even mosses and algae. The amount of life surprising given extreme weather, unlike Arctic, which is 17-degree warmer on average. There are no native people in this area. Now we are going to learn about flora and fauna of Africa and Antarctica and minerals of Antarctica. Flora and fauna of Antarctica. There are lichens, 200 species, bryophytes, over 50 species of mosses and liverworts, fungi, and over 700 species of algae found in Antarctica. Two flowering plants, a grass and a smaller cushion forming plant, are found on the northern and western parts of Antarctic Peninsula. There are leopard seals, crab-beater seals, rose seals, Weddell seals, southern elephant seals, and Antarctic fur seals. Along with the seals and penguins, whales also share the Antarctic waters. They belong to the family which includes about 75 species of huge whales, smaller dolphins, and porpoises. Green zone appears along Antarctic coast, growing in warmer areas. There are average temperature reach just above freezing in the summer. Although the individual algae and microscopic, when they grow at scale, the green snow can ever be seen from space. Flora and fauna of Antarctica. Since the temperature is below freezing point almost throughout the year, no major vegetation is found in this continent. Simple plants like algae, mosses, liverworts, lichens, microscopic fungi can survive and grow in Antarctica. Some algae live in the snow, while other plants grow in coastal rocky lands that is ice free. A few species of plants such as plankton, algae, and mosses are seen in around Antarctica's fresh and saltwater lakes. Small red fish called krill are found in large shoals. It is food for many warm-blooded sea animals. The living creatures of these regions are include whales, seals, walrus, and seabirds like penguins, albatross, polar squaw, and stoat. The blue whale is the largest animal which feeds on plankton. All these animals and birds have thick layer of fat called blubber, which helps them to withstand the cold conditions. Penguin birds in Antarctica cannot fly. They have webbed feet and flipper instead of wings. Small invertebrates are the only land animals which lives in the continents. Minerals in Antarctica. Scientific expeditions have found valuable minerals in some of these Antarctic areas, including antimony, chromium, copper, gold, lead, molybdenum, tin, uranium, and zinc. The other view is the increasing economic pressure will force mineral and petroleum exploration into more and more remote regions as resources are gradually depleted in other lands. Antarctica resources is one of the Antarctica's most important resources is ice and zinc. The geology of Antarctica is very varied. Fossil ferrous sedimentary rocks, lava and deep magmatic rocks, and a wide range of metamorphic rocks, as well as active volcanoes and glacier deposits. Most of Antarctica is covered by ice, but where mountains breach the ice expose the completely free of vegetation. Minerals in Antarctica. Scientific studies shows that Antarctic continent is to be rich in gold, platinum, nickel, copper and petroleum. Traces of chromium, lead, molybdenum, tin, uranium and zinc are also seen. The possible resources of this region also include silver, platinum, iron ore, cobalt, magnesium and titanium. Coal and hydrocarbons have been explored in minimal and non-commercial quantities. Scientific expeditions have found valuable minerals in some of these Antarctic areas including antimony, chromium, copper, gold, lead, molybdenum, tin, uranium and zinc. None approach a grade or size warranting economic interest. Also, non-economic or the very large deposits of coal and sedimentary iron. The international agreement on this continent does not permit the extraction of minerals, so the extraction of minerals does not take place. Antarctic destination. Antarctic destination Antarctica at times an unforgiving continent marked by harsh temperature and rugged terrain is home to rich diversity of wildlife that inhabits of glaciers, mountains, bays, fjords, inlets, pebbles, beaches and rugged coastlines. The Antarctic Peninsula, for instance, is abundant of mink, humpback, right, blue, sperm and killer whales. Snow Hill Islands is the iron-choked Weddell Sea is the site of one of the world's largest colonies of emperor penguins. The sub-Antarctic destination of Falkland Islands and South Georgia are equally rich with wildlife. Expedition to Antarctica. The first expedition to reach the geographic South Pole was led by the Norwegian explorer Ronald Amundsen. He and four others arrived at the pole on 14th December 1911, 5 weeks ahead the British party led by Robert Falcon Scott as part of the Terra Nova expedition. In 1912, British and Norwegian teams reached the South Pole. Indian expedition team to Antarctica had 21 members with Dr. S.Z. Kozim as its leader. The team left to Goa on 6th December 1981 and landed in Antarctica on 9th January 1982. Dakshin Gangotri, the first Indian scientific research station, was established in the continent. Maitri and Bharati are other research stations of India in Antarctica. McMurdo is the largest research station in Antarctica. It was set up by the United States of America. Thank you, students.